back to another channel of mine. Another show. A YouTube channel of mine. Well, I forgot what I was going to say. Okay, we'll go back to another video of mine finally. Really, Mom? You guessed it. We are going to be stacking 13 fidget spinners. I know that girl, she had 100 fidget spinners and she stacked all of them. I'm trying to get to 100 fidget spinners, and whenever I get to it, Mother, stop. You're not Mother Nature.
Yes, I am. You didn't see that?
Yeah. Whenever they went, he proposed to her at Disney World, remember? Yeah. Been a year.
Is it showing it?
I don't know.
Yeah, you're Mother
Yeah, I know.
Nature.
Yep. It was
No.
awesome.
No, it wasn't. Anybody can do that. Anybody can do it on their nose. Watch. Okay, guys. I'll put this. No, won't. I'll be putting the camera like this.
I can't do it on my nose.
I can. See, watch.
No.
If I spin.
Ow!
That's what you get. If I spin this fidget spinner.
Ow! Right there.
If I fidget spinner on my nose for 5 seconds, you'll have to smash that like button.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Yeah.
10, 11. That's it, guys. Y'all have to smash that like button.
I got it.
Mama's got to pee real quick.
Come out here.
Mother Nature, get out here!
This was in our girl section.
Okay, Mother Nature is back.
And mine's blue.
Oh, blue. Yours is blue.
Mother
Yours
Nature.
don't feel like this.
No.
Mother
You
Nature,
see
come
how
on.
long it is?
Yeah, I like it like that. I like it.
Okay, Mother Nature's
Alright.
back, so let's get this done.
You gonna be back in time for me to go to the grocery store at 11?
Just go then before I go.
Oh God, I'll just go in the morning.
It's 9:30.
I'll get up in the morning and go.
You want to talk about me?
I usually get up about 10 or 10:30 anyway. You know, he said just be ready by 12, so I'll
You can
have plenty
kiss
of
it.
time.
I'll be ready to go when I'm ready to go.
Hey, Mother Nature, come over here and help me.
Socks. We looked all over them motherfuckers.
Ah, see what I mean,
They
guys?
have a shitload, but they have mainly
That's why
the-
I asked for your help.
They do got women, but they're the ankle socks. I don't wear them.
Let's not forget about my booth. We shouldn't do my Bluetooth one. That would be stupid.
I like, what do they call them? Well, they used to be called slouch, but they don't really have them anymore. So I just have to buy the regular, I don't know what you call them. Shit. Crew, yeah, that's it, yeah. Yeah, like the purple heeled ones and them kind. Them type, that's what I like. Come just above,
Alright.
well, they come over your ankle pretty good.
It ain't gonna work. Cause that
Yeah, that's what I
Batman. I got a cigarette in my hand. You better watch what you're doing.
Maybe we should do Batman last.
Yeah. That's what I gotta find.
Let's do Batman after. Put these over to the side. Oh, come
They got
on.
real good
Shut
deals at
off.
the flea market, though. They have like 4 packs in a bag that's got 3 or 4 pairs in a pack for $5 and stuff like that. But like I said, I don't wear them.
I got
know
this.
her wear them, but I don't wear
Batman.
them. No. Yeah.
This one. We did it!
Woohoo! We done it. We done it. We done it. Done it. Done it. Oop. We did it and they fell.
Yeah. Well, as long as we did it. Okay. Well, that was that, guys, and I hope you enjoyed that video of me and Mother Nature. Mother, and stacking 13 fidget spinners. Next time we're doing 100. Bye. Say bye, Mom.
Bye.